Hey, Phil from Got Memories here at the UPS store, a couple doors down from my place. Is John. Say hey, John.
Hello.
And I just walked in and I saw this and I was like, oh no, someone's sending their stuff off to iMemories, but it's actually coming to me. So that's mine. There we go. So if you have, all right, if you do have, what? If you have got one of the safe ship kits, I got to be quiet because Candice is on the phone here, and you want to ship it to me, Got Memories, you can do that. There we go. Is there anything else?
Yes.
Okay.
Your mail.
Thank you.
There's two more. This one I
Okay.
gotta check in.
So this gives you a little indication of what I go through when, some big ones. Oh, I need to get the thingy. I need to get the trolley.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Anyway, so this is the difference between going through me and all of these massive corporate behemoth companies is I'm grabbing all of your stuff from the UPS store, walking it. I'm all the way, hold on. So, hi Candice. Hi. You want video? So I'm down the end over here, Got Memories, and then I walk up here, and if the door's locked, then I've got a box here and it all comes here. So anyway, no, I'm doing a little video for the YouTube channel. Anyway, so what do you guys think of Got Memories?
We love Got Memories. They've done things
detail-oriented and professional.
There we go.
and they transferred items for me.
Oh yeah, I did all your stuff, didn't I?
Yeah. To a flash drive, and it was absolutely fun.
Yeah, so there we go. Now I have to go back and get a trolley to carry all this stuff. Anyway, all right then.
Would you like to give me... You want me to give you a hand, buddy?
If you want to get out of here.
Candice, am I allowed to...
There we go. I'm getting a hand. John's going to give me a hand.